Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to share Google Forms. Sharing a Google Forms allows you to distribute it to others, collect responses, and collaborate. Whether you're sharing a form for feedback, surveys, or registrations, it's important to know the best way to distribute it. And here's a guide to help you share your Google Forms efficiently with others. Let's follow these few simple steps. The first step is to open your Google Forms account. And to do that, just go to your Google and go search for forms.google.com. Now after the search appears, make sure you click on the Google Workspace website that says workspace.google.com/product/forms. Now after you go into the website, make sure you log in using your Google account's credentials. Now once you click on login, you're going to be directed to your Google Forms dashboard, as you can see here. The second step is to open the form you want to share. For example, I'm just going to share this form right here. As the second step is to click on the publish. Now after, if you modify it, make sure you click on publish. And after publishing it, click on the share icon right here. Now the third step is to choose a sharing method. You can share via link by clicking on the link icon to generate the URL. You can copy this link and share it through email, social media, or any other platforms. You can share it via email by entering the email addresses directly into the forms, send via email tab, and click send. You can also click on the three dots you can use in websites by clicking on three dots right here in the top right corner, and click on the HTML and copy the iframe code displayed right here by clicking on the copy button. And you can also share it via social media using the social media icons to share your form directly on platforms like Facebook or Twitter. The fifth step is to track responses. Now once shared, you can track responses in Google Form responses section. You can access it by clicking on responses. Next, as you can see here, you can also link the form to a Google Sheets for easier analysis. And you can get email for notification and select destination for responses. And now your Google form is ready to be shared with others. Sharing your Google form is an essential step to collecting responses efficiently, whether through a direct link, email, or website app. The sharing options makes it easy to distribute your form. By following these steps, you can reach your audience, collect valuable data, and manage responses all in one place. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.